autonomous technology or new player emerge in the market, like robotaxi, Uber. Or here we got construction cone and all this stuff. Autopilot would never work in this scenario. Never work. Would never work. And this is doing such a good job with construction. I could never get the autopilot to work in here. Never. And this is doing easily. No effort. Let's see, there's a divide and then there's a quick turn. Let's see if we'll figure out. Because some people they can't figure this out, and they switch to the right lane and causing a lot of confusion here. So for this to work, FSD has to go to the right lane. And it's doing it. Yep. Nice. Got it. It's working, so that's perfect. I forgot my iPad. I forgot my iPad today. This is why I have to go back and grab the iPad. And I was just thinking, if FSD, the other lane is just for bus. I'm just gonna push it. I don't want it to turn this thing. I want it to go this one. Yes, I want it to try this one. Let's do it. Okay. Taking its time. I'm gonna push some more gas, just to kind of, yeah. That's the way you should do it. Just keep in this lane. Oh, nice. Nice. It's actually picking up. Nope. 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 Oh. Why switch lane for? Why? Oh. So we got a little confused there. It switched lane. So that's not good. It didn't have to move to this lane. So now it's just... Okay, now it's just by following the car in front of him. Yeah, it's by just following car. Oh, nothing special here. All right. Okay. That was a fail. So now it's gonna go. See, somebody told me that they don't recognize the HOV lane, which is not true. I could see the HOV lane there. So today, one big difference I noticed, FSD didn't change. I mean, didn't signal. Okay. Now it went. Come on. Oh shit. Didn't want to go on the right lane, so it's going to force it to go here. I think that's I'm just gonna say autopilot change lane in a construction zone, which don't have to. It was confused either taking the left lane or the right lane. I prefer So this guy didn't have to do that. He could just go straight. So now let's see what FSD gonna do with this one. Okay, now I got a car on the left, so now it cannot make that chain, that lane chain. I just want this thing to go straight. Go straight. Just follow the car in front. That's all you have to do. Nothing special. Don't do anything special. It should have cone display on the screen here, so that we could see what the car actually is seeing. I know that it seemed like some sort of gray obstacle there, but I wish it was more specific, more exactly what I'm doing. Didn't disengage, it disengaged by itself. I thought FSD is doing good, but I'm going to start again. So all those cones should be in the visual. Doing the right lane almost every day now. So today we're gonna try the left lane. So it slowed down a bit. I don't know why it's slowing down. It should speed up a little bit. I don't like how it starts. Now it's going into this lane. Okay, that's fine. You want to go in here? It's fine. No good reason why they do that, but it did it. So the choice that it made today was, it was on the left lane. It decided to go to the right lane. And now, knowing that it's on the right lane, there's no need to do that. It just could just have gone just using the left lane, but it didn't. Now we're right behind a truck. Let's see what FSD is gonna do with the this issue. Come on, let's take over this truck.
I know they increased prices again in March too, but then they decreased in February for that. Just net it all out. We're in Q2 on 4/1. They increased prices by 1,000, and then over the weekend they decreased them by 2,000. So just okay, take that to the bank. Got it. You go to the next one. Okay, this is where you need a little bit of understanding of supply chain and inventory, and I'll try to explain this very succinctly. DOI is days of inventory, so basically you look at the production run rate of a particular product line or the entire company and their total auto line. And you understand how many, if you look at a quarter, it's roughly 90 days in a quarter. Some are 88, some are 91, but it's roughly 90 days in a quarter. Companies that produce consumer goods
Shouldn't slow down. I had to push the pedal. It followed the car. see the flashing left light. Because I could see it. If I could see it, the car could see it, and I'm sure on the visual, it shows the same thing too. So this is a good drive. It stayed on the lane, and it kept the lane. This is perfect. FSD have issue with going on the left lane with that turn right here. It's hard to. Oh, let's go. It was a yellow light. I forced it to go. I'm sure it was going to go anyway. It was just kind of thinking about slowing down or stopping, but then it released, and then I just pushed the pedal just to let it know that I wanted to just go. So now the car is taking this lane, which is the left lane, and I'm hoping it would stay straight instead of turning to the next lane. Nice. I recognize it. Let's see if it does a good job. Got in. Okay. A little bit slow. Now it's taking its time to do its job correctly. Okay. That's okay, I think.
Cooler person you raised says you're dumb.